Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account on MoonPay. So we're going to head over MoonPay. Either it is going to be on the mobile device or the desktop. It is going to be the same process. We're going to head over our account. Once we have reached our account, we're going to click on the name of the account that you're going to find at the top of your account, normally here, and then you're going to see the parameters or the settings. From here, we are going to choose, or you're going to see this drop-down menu. Click on account, and you're going to see the account name and also the customer ID. You're going to click on delete my account, just like that, and it is going to find or let you put the reason for it, and then you're going to click on continue. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.